Alright my friends, welcome back. So far we've covered static, relative and absolute positioning. In this video we will learn about fixed positioning, which is commonly used for sticky navigation bars and floating buttons. Uh, Position fixed positions an element relative to the view browser window. When you position an element fixed, that element is positioned relative to the viewport browser window. The element does not move when the page is scrolling. It's always fixed at the specified spot. That is what this position fixed does. When you position an element fixed, it is just it does not scroll, meaning that it is there, it is there. So for instance, I am going to do this class assignment that I gave for us to do that. But first of all, let's talk about the position fixed. So let's say I have uh, an H1 with a lorem text, lorem of let's say 100 words, enter. Then we have 100 words in our browser. So we can just refresh this and then we have 100 words on our browser. So let's say I have uh, call it box, and then I say top. So let me style this box, say dot box. Sorry, I am supposed to put styling tag, then box border, or let's say instead of border, say background of red, and then color we say white, and then width we say fit content, which means it should fit the text in the box. Look at it here. Let me remove this width again, comment on it. You see that it is taking the whole page. So if I put fit content, it fits in the text. So that is what that value means for width. So I can say padding, top and bottom, let's say 8 pixels, and left and right we say 24 pixels. So we're just going to leave this like this. So if I position this thing, position fixed, you can see that it is nowhere to be found. So we have to use the top property, bottom top property, to reposition it where you can see top 0. We want it to be at the top. You can see it is showing at the top now. And then we can still say right to be 0. You can see it is at the right. So when you are scrolling, it just remains fixed at that point. You may have seen some browsers. You may have seen some browsers. Say I say position uh, bottom, and then we are having this because I already say position top 0. So we can see that like that. We can take this thing, instead of it, we can say 20 pixels, so it can come up a little bit, and then right to be 0. So it is at the right. You may have seen some browsers where this is a link. Once you are scrolling through the browser, you can click here and then it takes you back top. So these are the properties they use in creating such an effect on their web page. So this is what position fixed does. It keeps that element fixed on your page without moving. While other scrolling are being done, the element remain fixed. All right, for uh, just take note of it. Okay, let's just go and do that assignment I gave quickly. So in that assignment, we're just going to all right. This is the assignment I gave. So we want to move that one here, and so we are just going to say this is 4. I'm going to be fast about it. This is 5. So we say 4 is coming right here. So I am just going to duplicate this, duplicate it, change here to be 4. Sorry, change here to be 4, and then instead of left, we'll say right. We'll say right, we see the stuff here. So how do we move that one to the middle? We have to make some calculations. On a parent, remember we said the height is 300 pixels and the width is 300 pixels. That's 300 pixels, 300 pixels. So that means half of this thing is 150 pixels. This is 150, half is 150 pixels. The same thing. So, and what is the box, the width of the box is 40 pixels. So if we minus 300 pixels from 40 pixels, so let's also give it a wall, a height of 40 pixels as well, so we can be sure of what we are doing. So if we minus 40 pixels from 300 pixels, what are we going to get? We are going to get 260 pixels, 260 pixels. So at this point, we're going to change to 5. We're going to change it to 5. 5. So we say position bottom, we can say 260 pixels from the bottom. 250 pixels from the bottom. Then from the right, we can say 260 pixels from the right. So we are saying that we are not actually getting what we are. Alright guys, I'm so sorry, we didn't do it well. So we say 40 minus 300, that will give us 260, but we are not supposed to use the 260. We are supposed to divide the 260 by 2. So 260 divided by 2 is 130. So we say 130, and then we see that at the middle. So at the right, we'll also say 130. So it comes at the middle. So you can see that 5 is placed at the middle. All right, if you didn't get it, you can also take the correction from here, and then your other assignment, create more boxes and then put it at this middle here, at this middle here as well. All right, see you in the next class.